Good morning, students. Today onwards, we are going to start our online classes. I think all are doing very well. Stay home, stay safe. Then let's start. Today we can start chapter 5, arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a arrangement of some numbers. Through an example, we can understand that. I am going to write one example. Some numbers 4, 7, 10, 13, etc. This 4 is known as first term of the arithmetic progression. Then 7 is second term. 7 we can write 4 plus 3. 4 is first term. Then one common number, that is 3. 4 plus 3. Then next term, that is 10, third term. This third term we can write 7 plus 3. That is second term plus 3. Same number we are using for adding. Then 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. 10 in here. Third term. 3 is common number. In here, from this arithmetic progression, we can write first term. First term, always we will represent small letter a. Sometimes we will use A1 also. A or A1. Then in this progression, A is 7. 4. Then second term. Second term we are going to represent A2. A2 is 7. Then same like that, third term also we can write. Third term, that is A3. A3 is 10. Then common difference. Common difference we are going to represent D. Small letter D. Common difference means always we are using one common number for getting next term. That is 3. In here also 3. In here also 3. We can write that is common difference. We can write 3. How we will get 3? That is means 7 minus 4. Second term minus first term. That time you will get common difference. Then I hope you can understand this. Then we have to study one formula for common difference. That is common difference D equal to an plus 1 minus an. That is difference between two consecutive terms. Then this is our one formula for common difference. Then while doing some problems, you can understand very easily. We can do some problems. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. What is our question? Our question is, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given. Roman number 1. In here, in this question, A is 10 and common difference, that is D equal to 10. Both given. We have to find out first 4 terms. Answer. First term, normally we will represent A. A already given in here, that is 10. Then second term that is A2. Second term representing A2. For A2, first term that is A plus common difference. Common difference is D. In here A is 10. 10 plus common difference D also 10. 10 plus 10, 20. This is our second term. Then third term. Third term A3. How can find out A3 means second term. The second term in here A2. Already we are done. Second term is A2. A2 plus common difference D. A2. A2 got it. That is 20. 20 plus D. Common difference already given in question. That is 10. 10 equal to 20 plus 10, 30. Then fourth term. Fourth term will represent A4 equal to third term. A3 means third term plus common difference. Common difference in here D. A3. What is A3? A3 already got it. That is 30. 30 plus D. Common difference D already given in question. That is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. Therefore, first four terms are, I'm going to erase this one. First four terms are, first term is 10. Second term already got it, that is 20. Then third term is 30. Then fourth term is 40. This is our first four terms of the required arithmetic progression. Then, second question, Roman number 2. Question number 2, Roman number 2. They are also already given. A is minus 2. Is minus 2. D equal to 0. D equal to 0. Solution. First term. That is A. First term equal to, already given in here in this question, that is minus 2. And then common difference. Common difference. D equal to 0. Then for second term equal to first term plus common difference. First term plus common difference. In here first term is minus 2 plus D. D is 0. Minus 2 plus 0. Nothing. Same. Minus 2 only. 0 no need to write. Okay. Then third term. Equal to, second term is A2 only. I am writing here. Third term is A3. A3 means A2. Second term plus common difference, that is D. Second term already got it, that is minus 2. Plus common difference already given in question, that is 0 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 only. Then fourth term, that is A4. A4 means A3 plus D. Third term plus common difference. What is A3? A3 already got it. That is third term. That is minus 2 plus D. D means 0. D already given in question. 0. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Same. Therefore, first 4 terms of the AP equal to, in here first term is minus 2, second term also minus 2, then third term also minus 2, again one more term, that is fourth term, that one also minus 2. This is our arithmetic progression. All minus 2 only. All the terms are minus 2 because this common difference is 0. That's why all the terms are equal. I think clear? We can go for next problem. But also similar, same like Roman number 1 and Roman number 2. Roman number 3. In here A. In this question A already given, that is 4. D means minus 3. Then solution. First term means A. A already given in this question, that is 4. You can write 4. Then second term. Directly we can write second term, that is A2. How can I write A2 means first term plus D. It is common difference. A plus D. In here A means 4 plus D. D means minus 3 equal to 4 plus and minus together. Plus into minus, you know, that is minus only. Plus into minus is minus. Then you will get 4 minus 3 is 1. We got second term is 1. Then third term A3. A3 means A2 plus D. Second term plus common difference A2 already got it. A2 is 1 plus D. D means minus 3 equal to 1 plus into minus, plus and minus together means plus into minus is minus equal to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. In here 3 is big number, that sign is minus. That sign only we can use in answer. Then fourth term A4. A4 means A3 plus D equal to A3 in here minus 2 plus D minus 1 is D. Sorry, D is minus 3. Minus 3. Then minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then minus, we can write downside, minus 5. Therefore, first 4 terms of the AP first term already given, that is 4. Then second term is 1. Then next term is minus 3. Sorry, minus 2. Minus 2. Then fourth term is minus 5. This is our answer. Then one more problem we can do. That is a Roman number 4. Roman number 4. Roman number 4. Already given A equal to minus 1, D equal to 1 by 2. solution. First term, that is A, equal to A already given in question, that is -1. Then second term, that is A2. Second term is A2. A plus D. A in here -1 plus D. Common difference is one fraction number, that is 1/2. Equal to -1 plus 1/2. You have to take in here LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 2. Commonly we can write 2. Then this 2 multiple. -1 into 2. -1 into 2 plus this 1. Because no denominator in here, that's why we are multiple by 2. -1 into 2 is -2 plus then 1 divided by 2 equal to -2 plus 1, that is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is -1 divided by 2. Because in here 2 is big number, that sign is minus. That sign only we can use in answer. Then third term, that is A3, that is A2 plus D. A2 is -1/2 plus D. D is 1/2 equal to -1/2 plus 1/2 is 0. Because numbers are equal, 1/2, 1/2, sign only different, minus and plus. That's why you will get answer 0. Then fourth term, A4, that is A3 plus D. A3 in here we got it 0 plus D. D is 1/2 equal to 0 plus any number, that same number you will get. 0 plus 1/2 is 1/2. Therefore, our answer is first 4 terms of the AP first term is -1. Then second term is -1/2. Then third term is 0. Last term is, that means fourth term is 1/2. -1, -1/2, 0 and 1/2. I hope all of you understand. And then remaining one more problem is there, that is Roman number 5, that we can do at home. Similar, same like this questions only. Then remaining part we can do tomorrow. We are going to continue this class continuously. Then remaining part we can do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.